Hey friends, this is Bren from Cherry Grove Farmhouse. Welcome if you are new, and welcome back if you're a returning subscriber. Today we're going to be making a dupe for chicken salad chick grape salad. We have pecans, brown sugar, cream cheese, white sugar, sour cream, and we have red grapes and green grapes, and I forgot to sit out the vanilla extract. I'm washing the grapes. I actually cut the red ones in half because they were really big and they had seeds in them. So I took the seeds out because that won't be good in your salad. So I went ahead and cut those and took the seeds out, and now I'm just washing everything up really thoroughly. You want to make sure to let them drain and dry very well. I'm putting in my softened cream cheese, and you can use a hand mixer or a stand mixer for the cream cheese, but this cream cheese was really soft. I had left it sitting out for a while, so I knew that I could just stir it and it would be fine. To your cream cheese, you're going to add sour cream and the white sugar, and you're just going to mix that together thoroughly. In goes the vanilla extract. Next, you're going to stir in the grapes and just make sure that they are very well coated with the mixture. The recipe says not to put the brown sugar and the pecans on top of the grapes until you're ready to serve, which I'm going to show you that way in here in just a second. But I've done it the other way too, where I just went ahead and put the brown sugar and the pecans on top and then stored it in the refrigerator, and that was fine. Here is the final result. This is such a good dessert. I think you'll enjoy it. I'm going to post the full recipe down below. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe. I'll see you soon.